Hi, today we're going to be talking about this awesome figure in front of you here. It's the Dungeons & Dragons Funko Pop figure, Warduke. Today I'm going to be unboxing it, telling you where I purchased it, and also sharing with you the price on this item. Before I get started, if you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner, trying to build my subscriber base. If I've added value to you with this video, definitely hit the like button and feel free to leave comments so I can respond. I like reading all your comments. So let's get started. So right here in front of you is the Funko Pop Games Dungeons & Dragons number 847 Warduke. It's a GameStop exclusive item, and it includes the Dungeons 20 or D20 dice. So I'm going to be unboxing this right now and then showing to you guys. But before I do that, let me show you the front. And then this is the side of it. This is the back of it. And there's the other side of it. So there's like a total of 3, if you can see. There's also the Mind Player and the Minsk and Boo, and also the Asmodeus. Those are the other 3s that you can get. So let's take it out and take a look at it. While I'm doing this, where I got it actually from GameStop. As you can see, is a GameStop exclusive item. And also, the price that I paid for was $14.99. So it's not your typical Funko Pop pricing that they charge me. They actually charge me a bit more. So it was $14.99. So I just want to point that out there. Okay, so now that I've taken it out, the plastic actually popped out too, but it's okay. So there's Warduke. Let's take the figure out. It's the front of the figure, side of the figure, and the back of the figure. It's a pretty awesome figure, nice coloring, and the other side of it with the shield. Now, a little bit background on Warduke regarding the Dungeons & Dragons lore. Warduke is a muscular human equipped with a skull motif shield right here, and has the skull on it, as you can see. And he's a half suit of blue chainmail, and most notably a helmet complete with bat wings. As you can see, there's these 2 bat wings on the helmet. The class for this item, this figure, or this Dungeons & Dragon figure, if you play D&D, is he's a fighter. His alignment is with the chaotic evil, and his race is human. So he's actually human. So I'm going to put this here. So there's a bobblehead, and then, it comes with this dice too. And I'm just put the dice out. The dice is pretty good. Dice is pretty tight in there. Wow. Right, so I knocked them over. So it is the dice. As you can see, it has the logo right here. And it has all the numbers. So it's a unique dice. This is a very unique dice. It's a special dice. So I just wanted to point that out there. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. Once again, it's a GameStop exclusive item, so it's pretty much a collectible. Anybody who collects Funko, it's a pretty nice figure. I like the character. It's very unique, and it's also very nice and colorful in the back, you can see. So all in all, and it comes with the dice. D&D, Dungeons & Dragons. So there you have it, guys. Feel free to go to your GameStop, see if they still have it available. And just remember that you're going to be paying $14.99 like I did. It's definitely going to be above the normal price for a Funko Pop that you'll be paying for this item. And it's a GameStop exclusive. So once again, if you like this video, added value to you, hit the like button, feel free to leave comments, and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'll be making new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays and uploading them. Thank you.